Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making short Pixie wig using Lush hair attachments in the color green. So first you're going to detangle the attachment, then you measure. For this point I'm going to cut mine into 6 equal parts because it's going to be very short. So afterwards you start to draw it. The reason we do this is so that the ends is going to be smooth, it's going to be fine and sharp. So you do this carefully, not holding the attachment too tight. Just draw, make sure it's done neatly and fine. So we're going to do this for all. I know this takes time. In doing this, you're going to have a lot of patience because you know the end result is going to be bomb, baby. So you take your time, you draw it out, you comb it, add some cream to make it shiny and luscious. Then the next step is threading. You're going to get a chair like so, wrap, tie your thread round it like 3 times, tie it, and start threading it. You take a piece, put it through the loop like so. There you go. Easy, guys, very easy. Just take a piece of the attachment, hold it in between your thumb and your index finger, put it through the loop and just drag it out. So this is how we turn the attachment into a weave on. That's the trick, guys. Just hold it, put it through the loop, drag it out. You continue until you get all the attachments in. So afterwards you're going to have something like this. I went ahead to do my closure. If you want me to show you how to ventilate your wig, just drop a comment down below and I'm going to do a separate video for that. So I went ahead to sew in my attachments, my weave on. Now weave on, you sew it in neatly, not giving too much space. Make sure it's very tight and secure so it does not fall out. So you know that since it's not a normal weave on, we'll have to make sure it is tied properly. After that, I put in some hot water in the basin, add my conditioner. I'm using the Petals product. You stir it and you insert your wig into it. This is to make it smooth and luscious. So you're gonna immerse it into the hot water, making sure that every part of the weave on is immersed in the water. Okay, careful not to burn your hands. I don't know why I didn't use a bigger basin for this, but you get the point, guys. Just make sure everything is in the water. Yeah, then you put it on your mannequin stand, brush it out. You can just put it under the sun for it to dry out, but I love to detangle the hair first while it's wet so it will be easier to work with. Okay, so I added some more petals just to make sure that everything is in there. Beautiful. See how good looking it is. And also I've already trimmed out the weave on. I did some trimming. I know I didn't add the clip, but I cut it to the length I wanted. So now it's dried, placing it back on my mannequin, and at this point this is looking rough. I stretched it out to give it that more shiny look. Stretched it out. There you go, guys. It's looking beautiful already. So you can see the patterns. You can see the gap is not wide. That's wide. Very full and sweet. Okay, you can see that I'm stretching it out to give it a more final look. So here's the result, guys. This is my closure. Trimmed it to the best of my ability. And here is the final look. And as you can see, your girl is rocking it. Happy Independence Day to Nigeria. We pray for peace and unity, peace and progress. So here you go, guys. Give this video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Love you. Bye.